The Meghalaya Legislative Assembly is scheduled to convene its budget session from the 16th to 27th of February 2024 as disclosed by Speaker Thomas A. Sangma during a media address on the 2nd of February. Sangma conveyed that the Business Advisory Committee has greenlit the session's calendar consisting of 8 working days. Notably, government business will occupy 5 days, while the remaining 3 allocated for private members' business, he informed. The first day will feature the Governor's address, while the Chief Minister's presentation of the budget estimates for 2024-2025 is slated for the 21st of February. Speaker Thomas A. Sangma mentioned that this 8-day session, a departure from previous years, is prompted by the proximity of the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. He expressed concerns about potential early elections, emphasizing the necessity to conclude the full budget session accordingly.
The Business Advisory Committee meeting for to discuss the calendar of the budget session, incoming budget session, which will, as you all know, which will start from 16th of February. So this time we have proposed to have 3 private members' business, 3 days private members' business, and 5 days of government business. So total it will be 8 working days, which will commence from 16th February and will end on 27th of February. So, you wanted details?
Yes.
The first day of 16th February will be the address by the Governor. Then there's some government businesses, introductions of bills, laying of ordinances, orders, presentation of supplementary demands and grants, then supplementary appropriation for 2023-24, then obituary references. Saturdays 17th and 18th is a holiday. Then 19th February, Monday, which is government business again. There will be a debate on Governor's address the whole day. And third day on 28th February will be private members' business. Will start. Then on 21st there will be Chief Minister's reply to Governor's address, and also the presentation of budget, voting on supplementary demands, and introduction, consideration on passing of Meghalaya Appropriation Bill number 1. That is on 21st. Then 22nd again we have private members' business. 23rd Friday will be a general discussion on the budget and voting on demands for grants. Then 24th and 25th is again holiday. On Monday, the 26th February will be again private members' business. And the last day on 27th, the general discussion on the budget will continue. Then the Chief Minister's reply on the budget will take place, and then we'll go on, continue with the voting and introduction of considering and passing of the appropriation number 2 bill, considering passing of government bills later on. Lastly, the prorogation.